What's up, everyone? It's your boy Travis here, and welcome back to the Altcoin Travis 19 channel. Hope everybody's having a fantastic day so far. This is where you subscribe for all of the latest Bitcoin and altcoin news and Bitcoin and altcoin price updates and reactions, and occasionally stock news. Now, in today's video, I will be covering a couple of the many amazing partnerships that Elrond has made. Now, this first one is Ramp DeFi. Now, Ramp DeFi is unlocking liquid capital from staked digital assets. So users will be able to collateralize their staked assets into a stable coin, and when you're looking at this market, it is, you're earning staking rewards and making money on your staked assets. Now this market is looking at the specific liquid capital from staked digital assets on Ramp DeFi upwards to $22 billion. Now, this collaboration and what it means for the Elrond ecosystem, this will reduce the cost for engaging with new DeFi opportunities by enabling, holders of the Elrond Egold token to, leverage their staked assets and more. This will have a positive impact on the amount of Egold locked into staking, and this will strengthen the security of the network, which will strengthen the token economy. Now, this next partnership is with PancakeSwap, which is a decentralized exchange on Binance Smart Chain, which has fast and cheap transactions. And the big key here is cheap transactions, because as we know with Ethereum and, with the high transaction fees, on Uniswap, you've seen PancakeSwap get an insane amount of users come over to their exchange, from Uniswap, because, Uniswap is essentially pricing out the smaller retail investors. So they are now, a lot of them migrating to PancakeSwap, and it is no wonder why we've seen such a massive pump in, Binance Coin pumping to as high as, third in market cap. Which is just insane, really. Now, this integration with PancakeSwap enables Egold holders to engage more easily with DeFi opportunities on Binance Smart Chain. So another amazing partnership for Elrond, and you just love to see it. Now, getting into a little bit of a price update, as I know all of you love these price updates, as we are on the Mars mission with Elrond Egold. Now, right now is a massive buying opportunity, as if we look in Satoshi terms, in the last 24 hours, Elrond is down 27,069,658 Satoshis. Now, in US dollar terms, that works out to minus 5.65%. Elrond down to now $147.57. And again, such a massive opportunity right now. I think we are going to be breaking the previous all-time high of about, I think it was $213, which we set over a month ago in February, early February. And, from there, I think Egold is going to start moving up very quickly, and we could see prices above $1,000 and, get to $3,000, before you know it. And when I'm, not financial advice, but when I'm looking at price predictions for this bull run, if we think that the bull run is going to go on till maybe about August or September, I am saying that, I think, $5,000 is definitely realistic within this year. Now, I would say it could reach up to $10,000. Now, that is, of course, if we go, if we exceed expectations, that is what I would say my most, fantastic price target, that if we could reach this year. But if we don't hit 10,000 this year, I think, without a doubt, we are going to hit that by the next bull cycle, and maybe even, above 20,000 and above. So right now, again, I think it's such a massive opportunity, to buy Elrond Egold at these prices of, $147. I mean, it is just like if we could go back in time and buy Bitcoin at, say, $147 after it had hit new all-time highs above $200. and retrace back to $147. I know all of us would take that opportunity right now at an instant without a doubt. And yeah, we have that opportunity right now, right in front of us. And in my opinion, I think this could be a potentially bigger opportunity because I think with everything that Elrond is doing, you know, the extremely fast blockchain, which can process from 15,000 up to 100,000 transactions a second. Oh, yeah, or with the 5-second latency, and then you have the staking rewards with Elrond, Egold. So Elrond combines both Bitcoin and Ethereum economics. And with the Bitcoin economics, you have the scarcity of supply with just 20.4 million Elrond Egold that will ever exist. Hence, I love the name, Egold, because, yeah, it's essentially, the digital gold of the future. Obviously, we know with Bitcoin, Bitcoin is digital gold. But when you look at Elrond can do all the things with Ethereum, but better. You have the lowest transaction fee cost, 0.001 cents. And, Elrond also has the most commits and developers working on the blockchain. And so, yeah, that tells you everything, I think, that when you're looking at these blockchains, because which ones are the most active, the ones that are constantly trying to improve and adapt, to the future. And then when you look at Elrond and how they are, trying to help onboard the next billion users into crypto using the Meyer wallet, which you can download from your local app store. And yeah, it's very user friendly, easy to use, say like, for your grandma to use. And yeah, be able to adopt right into the crypto economy with Elrond, Egold. So yeah, just so much bullishness, and you have, the amazing hyper growth right now. Every day Elrond is announcing something amazing. So yeah, it's such an incredible time right now. So yeah, with that being said, that is going to wrap up today's video. And if you enjoyed this video and made it all the way through to the end of this video, please smash up that like button. I really appreciate all your support, and smash up that like button if you would like to see more of these Elrond Egold videos where I go over some of the many amazing partnerships. There are so many partnerships to go over, hence why I wouldn't be able to do all of them in a single video, but being that we can break it out in multiple videos, these are just such fun videos for me to do. So if you enjoy these videos and want to see more of these, let me know the feedback with a thumbs up on this video. Thank you so much for that, everyone. And let me know if you'd like down below in the comment section. We'd love to get your thoughts and perspectives on Elrond, Egold. What do you think about these amazing partnerships, these DeFi opportunities that we are going to be able to have by being Egold holders? So such an amazing time. Always enjoy reading your comments. And as always, until next time, we'll see you all back here on the Altcoin Travis 19 channel. Have a fantastic rest of your day, everyone. Take care and strive for greatness. We'll see you later. Let's go, Egold! Yeah!